Hello there everyone, you're on the ACV channel. And today we are reviewing a solution for exactly where to put an amplifier, if your car has very little or limited space. Check it out. This is our new 4-channel SIGNUM series amplifier, which breaks the old stereotype that high-quality sound has to take up half of your trunk space. Today we're going to see what this little guy can do. Let's get started. And as usual, we'll start with the unboxing, look into our nice boxes, and see exactly what's waiting for us inside. This is what our box looks like. All the necessary technical specs are listed on the back. Now let's take a look inside. Inside the box, of course, we find the amplifier. Look how sleek it is and how beautifully it shines. There's also a flyer on how to get a 20% discount on products. Basically, there's nothing complicated about it. Create a detailed video review of any product, share it publicly on social media, and email the link to us. In return, we'll give you a special 20% discount code for our products when ordering through our official website. Also, on the back of the flyer, there are convenient QR codes for all of our official social media pages. Be sure to subscribe. And instructions on how to join Team ACV. High-level input terminals, this is what they look like. Well, basically nothing complicated. Connect the plus and minus from the speaker and plug it into the amp. Included here are the warranty card and the user manual. By the way, please note that the entire line of micro amplifiers is listed right here. As is our long-standing tradition, the manual has a wealth of detailed information, right down to which specific fuse ratings to choose for the amplifiers. So, be sure to read it carefully before you begin the installation. And the first thing that immediately catches your eye is its size. The amp is truly tiny, its length is only 175 millimeters, and its width is 82.5 millimeters. You can hide it under the seat, in the glove box, in a false panel, anywhere, even in your pocket. It's really so compact that it'll easily fit into any car, even the very smallest one. The entire body is made of solid aluminum. It doubles as a cooling radiator and also provides extra protection for the amplifier against various mechanical impacts. The build is solid, nothing is loose or rattling anywhere. You can hear how solid it feels in your hand. Take a look at the design. The sleek and sophisticated matte black body with the stylish turn up the volume lettering clearly sets this amp apart from the competition. It'll look stunning and impressive in a professional installation. By the way, this isn't our first ultra-compact amplifier. Reviews of previous models are available on our channel. And now let's move on to the technical specifications. The model MS-4.100 belongs to Class D amplifiers. It utilizes the latest circuitry, which is constructed upon a specialized 2-layer FR4 printed circuit board. So the efficiency here is top-notch, minimum heat with maximum output power. The numbers are very impressive for such a form factor. This little guy delivers a true 100 watts at 4 ohms and 150 watts at 2 ohms. Accordingly, there is an option for a bridged connection. For example, you can use 2 separate channels for the front speakers and bridge 2 additional channels for the subwoofer. By the way, the power in bridged mode is 300 watts. The amplifier features an advanced filtering system, which allows you to cut high frequencies from the subwoofer or, conversely, remove low frequencies from the tweeters. The high-pass filter, or HPF, specifically cuts frequencies in the range from 30 to 8000 Hz, and the low-pass filter, LPF, similarly cuts in the range from 30 to 300 Hz. Furthermore, the amplifier also utilizes a comprehensive multi-level internal protection system to ensure maximum long-term operational reliability. Besides the filters, there's a switch on the side for the amplifier's operating mode, 2 or 4 channels. So if you don't want to receive an input signal from all 4 speakers, you can simply take the signal from the front 2 speakers, connect it directly to the amplifier, and then switch it over to 2-channel mode, and all 4 amplification channels will work perfectly. There are also standard RCA connectors located here, which, by the way, have an auto-on function. This means when a high-level signal appears, they will automatically start the amplifier. This means you no longer have to look for where to get a remote turn-on signal. You'll agree, it's a very convenient feature. And now we've come to the main highlight of this amplifier. Of course, besides the size, it's the presence of Bluetooth version 5.1. Take a moment to just imagine how this feature significantly broadens the potential range of applications for this amplifier. Now, you don't need any head unit to listen to your favorite tracks and playlists. All settings, as I mentioned earlier, can be made on the amplifier itself, allowing you to connect directly from your smartphone and listen to music without the need for any extra messy wires. And now I'll tell you exactly how easy it is to install this powerful amplifier in your car. So my friends, connecting this amplifier is truly as simple as it gets. Of course, we'll need high-quality power cables that you must run directly from the battery to the amplifier. Be sure not to forget to connect a safety fuse about 20 centimeters from the positive battery terminal, because safety always comes first in every installation. Next, we'll need two ISO connectors. These are male and female. And then a simple little procedure. We'll use a standard single DIN head unit as an example. As you can see, I've already removed the speaker plug from the ISO connector. So what we are going to do is carefully connect the speaker wiring harness plug directly into the high-level input ports of the amplifier, and then proceed to plug the remaining connector into the back of the head unit, exactly like this. Now, our amplifier is receiving a signal from the head unit, right? That is correct. First, we are going to connect the female end of the wiring harness directly to the newly installed amplified output channels, and then once that is finished, we will carefully plug the original connector that we previously took from the head unit into those same amplified channels to ensure a secure connection. This technology is called an inline connection. So, in less than a single minute, we have successfully installed a power amplifier into this vehicle. So friends, now let's check the Bluetooth operating range. Here's our amplifier, and we can see that it's connected to the phone. By the way, we'll be listening to music on our new speakers. I'm filming a review of them too, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. This is the Supreme line Marine speakers from the ACV Marine brand. That sounds good. Well, it's already a solid 10 meters or so in height, probably even a bit more than that. Listen, I'm really in shock, and I think I'm actually just going to go home now. You can't even see the car in the frame anymore, it seems. Listen, that's it. I'm heading back now. I think I blocked someone in over there. I need to let them out. Listen, I'll tell you quite honestly, I am seeing this for the very first time. Just the absolute first time. I never knew in my entire life that Bluetooth technology could actually reach this far. Well friends, it's time to wrap things up. The MS-4.100 amplifier is a truly unique piece of equipment, with absolutely no direct equivalents on the Russian market. This is an amplifier that goes far beyond car audio, which can be utilized in a wide variety of fields thanks to its compact size and built-in Bluetooth function. You can install it in a buggy, an ATV, a boat, in a shop, a service center, and so on. This extensive list of features could just go on forever. And the simple installation process allows you to easily set up and install this amplifier even if you've never dealt with anything like it before. Thanks to everyone for watching. This was Pavel from the ACV company. Give us a like and leave a comment on what you think of our new product. Bye everyone.